Living paycheck to paycheck is a stressful way to manage your money. With no savings as a buffer, any unexpected expense can mean falling behind on bills. If your income is disrupted, you have no backup funds to get by. But by making some changes, you can break the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building savings. Here are 5 tips. 1. Track your spending. Download a budget app or write down everything you spend for 1 month. Knowing where your money goes is key to changing habits. 2. Cut discretionary costs. Identify areas where you can trim, like dining out, subscriptions, shopping. Small cuts make a big difference. 3. Increase your income. Can you ask for a raise, find a side gig, or sell unused items? More income means more savings potential. 4. Build an emergency fund. Aim to save $500 $1,000 in a savings account to cover unexpected costs without going into debt. 5. Pay down high-interest debt. If you have credit card balances over 15%, focus on paying them before other debts to reduce costly interest. Implementing even a couple money-saving tactics can free up funds to start saving. Opening a high-yield savings account makes it easy to automate deposits each pay period. Living paycheck to paycheck keeps you trapped. But with some focus and discipline, you can disrupt the cycle and gain financial stability. The peace of mind of having savings is invaluable. Thanks for watching.